Why choose our repair services at Solutek B2B? Here, we recognize the crucial role your tech devices play in your daily life. Whether it's your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, keeping them in perfect working order is essential. That's why we specialize in providing high-quality, fast, and reliable repair services to ensure you're never left disconnected. Region-wide coverage. Our services are available across the entire region and LATAM, so no matter where you are, our repair experts are always within reach. We provide assistance from city centers to remote areas, and our convenient pickup and delivery services make the repair process seamless and hassle-free. High-quality parts. Quality is our priority at Solutek B2B. We understand that the longevity and performance of your device depend on the parts used in repairs. That's why we've partnered with leading manufacturers and suppliers to ensure we use only original or certified high-quality parts. This approach not only extends your device's lifespan, but also enhances its performance, giving you peace of mind. Warranty on all our services. Trust is essential in device repair. And at Solutek B2B, we back our work with a warranty on all services. If something doesn't go as planned, we'll fix it at no additional cost. Our commitment is to provide you with confidence and support throughout the repair process. Solutek B2B Subscriber Club. More benefits for you. We value customer loyalty, which is why we created the Solutek B2B Subscriber Club. By joining, you earn rewards on every purchase, which can be redeemed for discounts or products in our store. Members also enjoy exclusive discounts on on-site services, allowing you to repair your gadgets at a reduced cost. Additionally, as a club member, you receive discounts on tech hardware and software purchases, ensuring you get the best value. We offer free diagnostics for cell phones and other devices, helping you catch issues before they escalate. Plus, with access to thousands of services and products on our platform at solutech.com, you have everything you need at your fingertips. Innovation and commitment to customers. We stay ahead of the curve by continuously training our technicians in the latest trends and repair techniques. This ensures that you receive top-tier service with a commitment to making your experience as smooth as possible. From initial contact to the return of your repaired device. Conclusion. Choosing Solutek B2B for your tech repairs means opting for quality, trust, and innovation. With region-wide coverage, high-quality parts, service warranties, and a subscriber club full of benefits, we are the perfect partner to keep your devices in optimal condition. Join Solutek B2B and experience a new standard of device care.